Hi guys, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of the 3D printed sliding Legolini crossbow, all done on the 3D printer. Comes in different sections and then you screw it together. Bottom part comes in two parts, it needs gluing. The bow string is basically TheraBand rubber tubing, just attached by a string there. And there we've got a magazine for putting the bolts into, and this is the trigger mechanism. Okay, I haven't got a sight for it. I've got a laser sight coming that will attach to this little block on the end, but at the moment it's just as it is. Alright, it takes a while to print. It took me a few nights printing, so that's the magazine. Lift this lever up, that's spring mounted there, there's two little springs in there, and these are the bolts that we're using. Cheap to buy, they're only plastic. The 6.5 inch long pistol crossbow bolts. I think it takes about 6 or 7 at a time, so load them into the cartridge like so. Okay, and then you would lock it down. It locks in place, and you can see there the 6 mounted in the magazine. And then to draw the bow, slide it back, pull the lever up, and then we can start shooting. Got the target set up. It's 5 yards, 6 shots in 20 seconds. Wasn't really aiming there, just general. So go through it again. We open the cartridge case, magazine case, a handful of bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's room for one more, but we'll go with that. To close the magazine up, that's pressure mounted, just keeping some gentle pressure on the bolts. Slide it back, finger on the trigger. 1, 2. That was jammed. That's it, all gone. So, as long as it gets stuck, that was my fault, I didn't operate the trigger properly. So that's it, the 3D printed slide-in Legolini. The original guy that made this made it in plywood. His name is Joerg Sprave, nice German guy. He's got a good channel on anything to do with crossbows, automated crossbows especially, and the guy that did the 3D side of it, can't do his name, but I'll put a link down below. He's a Polish guy, and it's a really super design, goes together very well, all the parts are nicely designed. So yeah, there we go, cheers.